Damn, as soon as I turn the camera on, battery died. Hold on. God damn, man. Alright. So, yeah, man. Riding through the hood a little bit, man. Yeah, y'all seen what was going on, man, with the, I got speed bump down through here now. Sheesh. Y'all seen what was going on with the box. Y'all seen what was going on with the fleet. You know what I'm saying? They put a house right here. I ain't been to the hood in a minute. I didn't know that. Put a house right here. This the park where the Lakeview Gardens block party be at. Lakeview Garden block party be right here. That's my old house right here. I was living there when I was like 20 something. Me and my cousin. It's kind of dead around here in the hood today. I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody. That's my grandma's old house there. That's the house I grew up in right there. Pretty much. My uncle got it now. He out here probably working on lawnmowers right now. I grew up in that house. Plenty of cars in the yard. But when we first moved to Lakeview Garden, this is my house right here. The corner of Honduras and Manson, man. Corner of Honduras and Manson, man. That was my house. I learned how to ride a bike there. Man, what else? Man, I used to pretty much run up and down these streets, man. Go to the can later all the time. And this was it. Honduras and Manson. Y'all see that? I had to be like, man, 5, 6 years old. But we got over before then, so we had to move over here. I was like 3, 4 years old, and then, you know, I started going to school and all that, but my uncle stayed in that joint now. Yeah, man, this right here. We got plenty of shit going on up here. Need some more shit. There was the candlelighter right there. The yellow house. And then there was another candlelight up here. But we started going over there. Look at this old Cadillac Seville. We started going to this candlelight over here, man. We got older. As we got older. Let me see, what house was it? I think it was this pink house right here. Yeah, it was that pink house. And then I was messing with a little chick with that blue house right there. And that blue house, that was a long time ago. Like I said, we was still kids down there. Yeah. Real vet, man. Real Lakeview Garden vet, man. Coming through. I don't even too much ride through here no more because, you know, really, like it ain't nothing going on right now. Ain't nothing going on. Like it's dead out here. Hey, that's good though, cause usually it be going down over here. Yep, Lakeview Gardens, Tennessee. This is not Westwood. We are not Westwood. we ain't got nothing to do with nobody in Westwood. Like, they cool, but they ain't from around here. Damn, so y'all just gonna jump out the truck? Don't do that. You about to get run over. I think I took y'all, I think I showed y'all the house I was born in North Memphis. I think I showed y'all that. I think I did on one of these videos. There's always something going on over here though. Like, you would think after a while it calmed down, but all the folks that used to really terrorize the hood back then got kids now. Now they kids terrorizing this junk. So it's like never ending cycle. Like it ain't a whole lot of people that left. Like they stayed and they, you know what I'm saying, still doing their thing. This right here used to be my auntie house right here. Somebody had got killed one day and they found him right here between these trees right here. He had got shot or whatnot, and they was, I think I'm right, he had got shot, but he, you know what I'm saying, like they said that he had a lot of dirt and stuff under his nails, like he was trying to crawl away from the folks or whatever that shot him or whatever. They kind of shook my auntie up a little bit, I think. They're like, damn. Oh, but yeah, man. I wanted to ride. Oh wait, I forgot. They got a. You need to ride through up here. The hood, by the hood store here. They be having a food truck up here now. You can go check that out, y'all. Know I like the food trucks. I like the food trucks. But yeah, man. That's It's the hood, man. Lakeview Garden, Tennessee, man. Y'all look it up. I had a lot of fun over here as a kid. I had a lot of fun over here as, you know, a new adult, man. 20s. You know what I'm saying? 18, 19, 20s, stuff like that. Man, I had a lot of fun over here. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't proud of a lot of the stuff I did, but it was fun, though. I ain't told her which car down. It used to be a little strip mall right there. Barber shops in there, beauty shops, all little stuff. They tore that down. That's where the food trucks be at. Can you see? Yeah, that's where the food trucks be at. Over there. The hood store right here. A lot of shit be going on up there. Damn, don't like it's still open. It ain't open no more. How they get rid of the hood store? Community grocery still over there. How they get rid of this joint though? There was a lot of shit going at this joint though. A lot of shit going at this joint. Cashapp, I don't think that joint open no more. I don't think. Look like it is. I don't know. But anyway, just showing y'all around, man. Let me see. I took a picture and a video of this. You know what I'm saying? Me and Nook was right here. I took a picture and a video of this sign. Lakeview God. This was years ago though. Matter of fact, I think that was the same day I had went to that block party that we had. But enough of that. Enough of that. Enough of that. Talking about all that right there, man. Hold on right quick. Man, that's crazy. There used to be an elementary school right here, man. I know y'all probably remember that. They done tore that joint down. That joint ain't nothing but a field. Cold game. I ain't know none of that. That's crazy. But anyway, man. So, yeah, I'll come to the conclusion, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just finna, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't mad at nobody. I ain't upset with nobody. I ain't got no enemies. None of that right there. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want nobody to feel like that. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm finna have to turn it. I'm finna have to turn this up another notch for real. Like I real deal turned it up. You know what I'm saying? Like I turned it up. Y'all can tell. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm posting more. I got more content. I'm doing stuff. Now I'm finna have to turn it up some more, man. Cause you know what I'm saying? Just saying, like, comment, subscribe ain't getting me where I need to be. You know what I'm saying? So now it's like I gotta shove this content down people's throat, man. Down people's throat to actually, you know what I'm saying, get the results that I'm trying to get from this. You know what I'm saying? So now it's like, damn. Now, man, I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Like I gotta treat it like that because, you know what I'm saying? Like me being cool and, you know, like, yeah, I'm gonna post this, I'm gonna do this right here. You know what I'm saying? That ain't working, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I can say it, but it's not helping me any. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can't see me, man. It ain't helping me any. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna get real, like, it's gonna get crazy with the content. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I ain't gonna say I'm gonna post 2 videos a day. Well, I will if I get that much content. But like right now, like right now on content, like I'm up for real. And it's like I probably could post 2 videos a day if I want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them out. You know what I'm saying? And you know, do what I need to do, how I need to do it. I'm tapped, like I'm seeing results. I'm seeing results, it's just not moving as fast as I want it to move. Like it ain't moving as fast as I want it to move, so it's like, nah, I gotta do something different. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta do something else. Cause I want my results how I want my results. And I feel like at this point I really feel like I'm the only one that's gonna, I'm in control of it. I'm in control of the results and how they come about. Sugar holiday salmon. Chris. I'm in control of everything I got going on. Ain't nobody really gotta fool with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm in control of it. The folks that do fool with me, man, I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all to death. Because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this at all. You know what I'm saying? Like I was talking to Brian Ike, and I was like, man, I could really just shut all this shit down, man. Record videos, turn all my videos private, not worry about no views, not worry about no likes, comments, none of that. I just had these videos on YouTube for my kids when they get old. You know what I'm saying? I could do that, but I choose not to do that. Like I really like, you know what I'm saying, bringing y'all into my world to a certain extent. So, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna shut y'all out. Foot Locker outside tomorrow. This is where the block party went down at. Rock car show gonna be over here. Southland Mall, man. Elvis Presley and Shelby Drive. Elvis Presley Boulevard and Shelby Drive. Can't see the Shelby Drive sign, I don't think. Yeah. Oh, it's over here. Yeah. Elvis Presley and Shelby Drive, man. This is where it's gonna go down at. I didn't know they had a Foot Locker right there though. It's crazy. I ain't been down here since well, when I came to the block party that time, I came from the other way. Came to the block party and went back the same way I came. Like I ain't do no, you know what I'm saying? No extras. We ain't doing no extras down here. We getting down here, do what we gotta do, and we getting the hell on. That's how it's gonna be. But yeah, like what was I saying? Oh, like I like to, you know what I'm saying, like bring y'all in, man. Like I don't want to shut y'all out. You know what I'm saying? And I can't blame nobody but myself for how many subscribers I got. Cause you know what I'm saying? That's just that joint ain't even open yet. They built it. What's on that? They got the fireworks over there. This is what a block party was. I wish they cleaned this joint up. Like, cut the grass. That'd be better if you cut the grass down here. I need to call Rock and get on about that. Hey man, you need to cut the grass at your mall, man. For real. Like that ain't no, you know, it ain't looking good around. You need to do some landscaping, man, at your residence, man. At your property, man. But I should have rolled down on Big G. I don't know where he is though. Matter of fact, hold on, let me call him. Hold on. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Animate himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah. So I ain't gonna say nothing else, man. I'm finna damn, what they got going on? I'm finna pull up over here on Big G, man. See, y'all finna get bonus footage, cause I wasn't even supposed to get this footage right here. I'm finna pull up over here on Big G, see what he got going on, and man, she got going. It's too hot, sweetheart, to be out here trying to smile at motherfuckers. You smiling, you need to be around it. It's hot, sweetheart. What she got going on? Run across the street. Alright. It's too hot, baby. It's too hot. You're using too much energy. But anyway, man, yeah, I'm finna pull up. I'm finna pull up at Big G house. Right fast. Butter cookies. Pull up on Big G. See y'all in a second, man. Hold on.